Is your Samsung device locked out after a factory reset? Are you staring at that frustrating Google FRP screen, feeling completely stuck? You might have searched online and discovered this SamFw FRP Tool 4.9, a specialized utility primarily built for Samsung devices to bypass the factory reset protection or FRP lock. It offers one-click FRP removal. Yes, a basic, free version is available. However, as new security patches are released by Samsung, users often find they have to pay for a premium or activation service. Is SamFw FRP Tool 4.9 safe? This is where many users run into issues. Community feedback highlights significant safety concerns. The tool has been flagged by some antivirus software, and reports exist of it potentially injecting unwanted software like MyCellSpy. You are left vulnerable. While its advantage is its dedicated FRP focus, its disadvantages are its complex, technical nature, inconsistent success rate across all Android versions, and a lack of official support. Plus, when you ask how to download and use SamFw FRP Tool 4.9, the process is often a high-risk DIY procedure from unofficial sources. Stop gambling with your device's security and stability. DroidKit is a certified, all-in-one Android solution that replaces the fragmented, risky nature of the SamFw tool. SamFw FRP Tool versus DroidKit. DroidKit offers the same powerful FRP removal with professional security, a guaranteed success rate, and a full toolkit. Screen unlock, data recovery, system fix, and junk cleaner, all in one officially supported application. Now let's see how easy it is to remove the FRP lock using DroidKit's dedicated tool. Step 1. Free download and launch DroidKit on your PC. Select the FRP bypass mode. Step 2. Connect your FRP lock device with a USB cable and click on the Start button. Step 3. When prompted, choose your phone brand to proceed. After that, the configuration file will be prepared for your device. Click the Start to Bypass button. Step 4. Follow the instructions shown to put your phone in recovery mode and get your system version. Hit the Next button. Step 5. Follow the instructions to complete the corresponding settings. Step 6. After completing the setting, it will start to disable the FRP lock. When the bypass process completes, your device will be restarted and you can instantly regain full access to your device. For safety, simplicity, and a full suite of tools to keep your Android running perfectly, the choice is clear. Don't risk a spyware infection or a bricked phone. Choose DroidKit. Click the link in the description to download DroidKit today and unlock your device safely and reliably.